Meaning of enrollment.
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 Enrollment. Enrollment refers to the process of registering or enrolling in a program, course, or educational institution. It typically involves completing an application, providing personal information, and paying any required fees. The result of enrollment is that the individual becomes a student and gains access to educational resources such as classes, lectures, and academic support services. Enrollment is an essential step for anyone seeking to obtain formal education or training, as it enables them to participate fully in the learning process and acquire the skills and knowledge necessary to achieve their goals.